Hi there, Anna here, Director of Client Services at LeadLove, helping you get the most out of your HubSpot subscription. Today we're going to be looking at booking meetings on behalf of other reps internally. So to book a meeting like that, you will go to Contacts, and then choose a contact that you want to book a meeting with. And here you will navigate to the meetings little icon. The booking window will pop up. Usually it will default to you, but just because I was playing around with this tool, it defaulted to the rep that I have chosen last. So here you will just choose the user that you want to book a meeting on behalf of, and then fill in all of the information here per usual, the title of the meeting, duration, meeting type. You can add different attendees here. Location, meaning are you going to be calling by phone or using one of the call-in integrations, Zoom, Teams, things like that. Then add the description of the meeting, and then here the fun part. You will be able to see when the user is busy and when you can actually book a meeting for them. So the use cases, usually you are on a call with the client, you need to book a meeting for, in this case, for Destiny. Okay, you can just check what time works for them and just easily book a meeting here. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comments.